Good afternoon, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are working on a Mercedes C180. It has SRS lights illuminated and just failed the MOT. We have done diagnostic, we have tried to reset the light and it still comes back. So we have done further investigations and we found actually there was a bulletin. This car was only called to fix this error, but because our car is more than 10 years, Mercedes-Benz will not fix it for free. So we have gone to Mercedes-Benz and bought the part, which is an harness, which we're going to be fixing. So Mercedes-Benz, they say we should change this one. We paid £30. So this one basically it's a harness which comes to the ignition, the steering squib. We need to cut that one out, the existing one, and extend it with this one. After that, the problem should go away. So this is video number 1, just telling you about the problem. I'll be making a further video after I fix it, and I'll show you which wires will need to be cut. Thank you.